Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fun Cuisine. It's spring break time, guys. I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to have on spring break, okay? It's going to be tuna sandwiches, hot dogs, pretzels, and popsicles, okay? I'm going to show you guys how I make my tuna sandwiches and my popsicle, okay? Let me show you guys what I'm going to have. Over here, as you can see, my hot dogs already cooking up. And also I have all my vegetables, onion, celery, and chili, red chili powder, green pepper, parsley, and hot dog buns. Okay, and here I have my pretzels. Okay, and also I have my tuna. Okay, I already cleaned it up. Okay, now also, guys, I have my lemonade. Okay, for my popsicles, whatever you have in your fridge, you can use it. And also I have my pineapple juice. Okay, so let me show you guys what I'm going to do with my tuna salad. I'm going to start mixing it up. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the green pepper. Okay, and parsley and celery. Okay, and red chili powder. Okay, and my onions. All right. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some onion powder. Okay, for flavor, guys, it's optional. Okay, and also I'm going to add my lime juice. Okay, black pepper. Okay, and also I'm going to use my add some mayonnaise. Okay, let me mix it up. Okay, guys. And I have some popsicles. I already made like from last night, guys. Okay, in the fridge. I'm going to get them out to show you guys. Okay. Okay, let me add some more mayonnaise. All right. Okay, guys. Actually, I can use a little bit more mayonnaise. Okay. All right, that should be good. Okay, guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to finish that up, and then when we come back, we'll check on everything else. Okay, come back. Now, what I'm going to do, you see the hot dogs already cooked. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys how I make my popsicle. Oh, I have all my fruits. Okay, now I'm going to add my grapes. Okay, strawberry. Okay. All right, strawberry. Okay, I'm going to do this one. Okay, whatever you want to do. Oh, I forgot my blueberry. Okay, blueberry. Okay. All right, guys. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my lemonade. Okay. Two lemonades with fruits. Okay. And I have my pineapple juice. Okay, that's it, guys. All right, whatever you want to do, you have in your fridge. This is the one that I made over the night. Over the night. All right. So what I'm going to do, yeah, it's good when you do your thing. If you're gonna make popsicles, guys, just do it overnight, okay? Okay. All right. That's it. You see that, guys? This is the one that I'm going to get out, and this one I'm going to put in the fridge, okay? Okay, my salad's already gone. All right. When we come back, we're gonna put everything else, okay? Come back. Okay, guys. Now everything's ready. Now I'm going to show you guys what I did with my sandwiches and my buns, okay? And also I'm going to show you guys my popsicles, okay? So let's see over here. As you can see, guys, okay, everything already fixed up. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some ketchup, okay, in my hot dogs, okay. All of them. All right, and mustard. Okay, I'm going to leave these two. Okay, let me do some cleanup. Okay, guys. All right, now I have this plate for my popsicles, okay? Okay. Let me start fixing my popsicles. Oops. Okay, this is the lemon popsicles. Okay, my mixed fruits. Okay, got this one all come out. Are you kidding me? Okay, hold on, guys. Let me put some more in there. Okay, well, there you go. Okay, guys, as you can see, all right, this is what I wanted to share with you guys. Okay, for spring breaks, when you have your kids and then your family, whatever, whoever you're gonna hang out with, there you have it. Okay, okay. All right. If you like this video, guys, don't forget to subscribe and click on the like button. Okay. Enjoy. Have a wonderful day. Okay. Enjoy your spring break. Bye.